Hi friends, once again and welcome to our hut. ये देखिए यहाँ पूरी मिट्टी मिक्सिंग चलती है यहाँ पे. And this peepers has got water. The drums that has got water. This thing, the wooden pillars to give the support. And those are the bamboos. And this is the Tesla. In India we call it Tesla, in which they carry the mixed material to different parts where the mason needs it. These are all the flowering plants which we have planted. These are the wooden things. I mean the twigs and all, the broken branches which they have kept for nighttime bonfires. This is the hut which is going on in full swing. भैया जी थोड़ा हाय कर दीजिए सब लोग मिलके. स्मार्टफोन नहीं है किसी के पास? देखो अभी आपके पास किसी के पास नहीं है. So these are the soldiers of Glucose Club and मेरी माटी. और ये हट का काम बहुत मस्त चल रहा है यहाँ पे. ये कब तक हो जाएगा भैया ये रूफ? एक दो दिन?
हाँ मैडम 3-4 दिन.
So this is the symmetry, the triangle part, as you can see. And this has been done with all but with mud, as you can see these. And these are the little holes that are left for ventilation. And we also have got 2 windows over here made up of wood and bamboo. This looks like a pyramid to me right now. Yes, this is a pyramid, my pyramid. See the symmetry that they have done over here. These are the bamboos which we have kept for the support of our tiles, which we call khapral in India. And here all around the hut I'm planting the flowering trees and flowering plants rather, not trees. And we have got these roses and all, but they are all native ones, the desi roses, not the polyhouse roses. We don't love the polyhouse roses because they are very short-lived, very sensitive, very delicate, so I don't want to use them for commercial purpose. So all the soldiers are busy working here, as you can see. Look at the sunset, it's so beautiful in Meri Mati. And also the reservoir work is going on and we are planting bananas in the reservoir. And today also I'm covering the roots of these. Where we are watering the plants, we are covering it with rocks so that the water doesn't get evaporated, because the drawback behind the straw part was that it was flown off. That was a disaster because I don't want to do anything again and again. As it is, the land is so huge, so I can invest my time only once. See, already the plants are giving up. The green twigs are coming out. These are the yams. So things are pretty much in full swing. And we are clearing this up once again manually. This was cleared by JCB machine, but the debris was still left because the more it was scratching it, the more debris was coming out, which was of no good use. So we are doing it manually now. See, and they are rowing the rocks over here, as I've told them, which we call made in Hindi, which will stop the water and also the soil erosion. भैया जी हाथ हिला दीजिए थोड़ा, क्योंकि आप लोग ही तो हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग के साथ. So these are also the soldiers of our Meri Mati farms, and see how beautifully they are doing it. I was also doing it with them, but now since I'm showing this to you people, so I have to leave for some time, and that's a rest also. Now what will happen, the water will come from there, we rest for some time, it will again come up over here, and it is having a chest over here as well. It will wait for some time, and then again it will come up down here, and then that will give resistance to it, and then it will move to the last part. I think this should work out. Let's see in the rainy season what happens. I think Mother Nature will stand by us, and of course you people. Thank you for being with Mary Mati. Bye bye, take care, love you all.